I'm Abraham, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Mexico City. Today, I'm going to show you how to resolve the error failed to start the job flow due to an internal error in Amazon EMR. Let's get started. First, relaunch the cluster. If you still experience the error, then verify that you have the correct permissions for the Amazon EMR service role. Open the AWS Identity and Access Management console, and then choose the EMR default role version 2 role or the custom role that you are using as the Amazon EMR service role. In case you are using a security configuration with disk encryption, check the policies that are attached to the role to confirm that they have the required permissions to use the AWS Key Management Service keys that you specified for disk encryption. Make sure that the policies contain these statements. Also, make sure that all the required actions are allowed in the default Amazon EMR service role and the instance profile role. For a list of minimum actions to include, see the link in the video description. If your role has the required permissions and actions in its attached policy, then check whether you received a connection timed out error. Open the Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud console. And then select the terminated EC2 instances from the failed cluster. Note that the instances are available for 1 to 2 hours after termination. Next, choose the Actions menu and then choose Monitor and Troubleshoot. Choose Get System Log and then review the system log to identify the issue. If you didn't receive a connection timed out error, then check your Amazon Virtual Private Cloud routes. Confirm that you correctly configured the route tables in your VPC so that the cluster can retrieve the necessary packages for provisioning. Depending on your use case, also verify that the route table includes a route to an internet gateway for public subnets, or a route to a NAT gateway for private subnets, so that your network resources can reach the internet. If you don't want your private subnet to reach the internet, then make sure that you meet the minimum requirements for Amazon EMR to access Amazon Linux repositories. And for more information about how to set up a VPC for Amazon EMR, see the link in the video description. And finally, confirm that you correctly configure the primary, core, and task security groups for the subnet. If you're using an Amazon Simple Storage Service endpoint as well, then make sure that the security groups include a rule that allows the traffic from Amazon ES3. For information about Amazon EMR managed security groups and the rules that are required for each group, see the link in the video description. After you modify your permissions and configurations, launch your Amazon EMR cluster again. So now you know how to resolve the error failed to start the job flow due to an internal error in Amazon EMR. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.